Hello, today we have a Samsung Galaxy A20E unboxing and review. Okay, let's see what we here have. Well, this smartphone has a standard box with usual information. By the way, I put the links for the smartphone in description below. Okay, let's go to unboxing of this budget class smartphone and look what's in the box. First, what I can see is a box with a user manuals. A standard papers how to use this Samsung smartphone. Of course, we have a cables. Standard cheap earphones, in my opinion not very comfortable to wear. And a C-type USB cable for charging and file transfer, and an EU standard charger adapter. This Samsung has a fast charging adapter, which allows you to charge more faster than usual charging adapters. And then is there a SIM card needle? Okay, let's look at the self smartphone. This model has a black color, but there is much more colors for choice. The display has a 5.8-inch HD Plus edge-to-edge Infinity V display. It's the biggest 19.59 ratio display ever. The backside is made from glossy plastic, and I hate this because, how you can see, fingerprints all over on backside fingerprints. And this is one of the minuses of this phone. The Galaxy A20E's dual camera has a 13-megapixel and a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 123-degree field of view like the human eye. And it's powered by 3000 mAh battery. The octa-core, 2 1.6 GHz and 6 1.35 GHz processor with Exynos 7884 octa chipset makes the smartphone fast. The 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM memory makes this model to one of best mid-range budget phones. Besides, you can add an optional up to 512GB micro South Dakota memory card. This Samsung is a dual SIM smartphone with 2 SIM cards, what's on my opinion is very useful option. By the way, it has only a nano SIM card support. It has an Android 9 Pie operating system. Samsung A20E is released in 10 April 2019 and the selling price is about $169. Okay, let's make some pro and contra for this smartphone. The cons in my opinion is a glossy back panel. I mean you must use a cover to protect from dirt and fingerprints. And the RAM memory I'd like to be at least 4GB. Okay, and the pros is small size, bright HD display, lightweight and the dual SIM support. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe to our channel.